Dear students, welcome to my channel. Already I have uploaded probability introduction video. Now I am going to teach the coin problem. Um, you can be asked up to 3 coins. For one coin, what are the outcomes? When you toss one coin, you may get head or tail, right? Okay. So now I am going to write for one coin. I am going to write what are the outcomes. H is denoted by head, T is denoted by tail. Head is denoted by H and T is denoted by tail. Okay, so for one coin you have got either H or T, and what is the probability of getting head? Probability of getting head is 1 by 2, and what is the probability of getting tail? Probability of getting tail is 1 by 2. So how many heads are there? Only one head. How many total outcomes? 2. 1 by 2 will come. In the same way, probability of tail also we will get 1 by 2 because only one tail, 2 outcomes. Okay. When two coins are tossed, how will you find out when two coins are tossed? When one coin is tossed, you will get HT. When H is there, you will get HT. When T is there, you will get again HT. You write as such. Listen, how you have to write HH, HT, uh, TH, TT. Okay, like that you have to write. Okay, so how we will get HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay. So when three coins are tossed, how we will write? When three coins are tossed, you will write first two coins. Okay, H, T. Then you will get what you will get? H, T. Here what you will get again? H, T. When you get in the second coin H, you will get it in the third coin H, T. In the same way, when it is in the tail, you will get H, T. In the same way, for this H also, you will get H, T. For this tail also, you will get what? H, T. Now you write H, H, H. How you have tried? See, H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, 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 H, H, T, H, T, 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 H, T, T, T. Right? Shall we write? Okay. See, totally we'll get 8 outcomes. Okay. So we'll go to the next one. See, now we are going to solve when three coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting exactly two heads, at least two heads, at most one tail, and no head? First, we have to write the outcome, and there is another way to write the outcome. Now I am going to teach that. First, you write for two coins, that is HH, HT, TH, TT. Now you write it in the second line, the same thing, HH, HT, TH, TT. Now in the first line, you add H like this. Before that outcome, you had H in the first line. In the second line, you add T in the before the outcomes, you add T. So we got now 8 outcomes. Okay. So when 3 coins are tossed, you will get 8 outcomes. So what is the probability of getting exactly 2 head? You see, where are the things exactly 2 heads are there? You see here, you get this one. I will take yellow for this. This one you will get exactly 2 heads. This one you will get, this one head only. This one you will get, then anything else? No. So how many options are there? 3 by 8. So for probability of getting, probability of getting for exactly 2 heads is 3 by 8. Now at least 2 heads. This at least and at most you should understand very very clearly, right? At least, that means, see, you are going for an exam, your parents are telling that at least you get 60 mark, right? That means your parents will be happy if you get 60 and above. 60 and above, right? If you get below 60, they will not be happy, right? So at least 2 head means you have to see 2 and above. Here 2 comma 3. You have to say, see the outcomes where 2 or 3 heads are coming, right? At least means that number, at least means you understand that number and above. At least means that number and above. That number and above, right? Okay. Now we'll find out how many two or three heads are there. Here we use this green, right? How many two heads? See here, two, three heads means this will come, this two, this will come, one head will not come, this will come, one head will not come, one head will not come, one head. So how many are there? One, two, three, four. So we have to write that, right? So you have to cancel 4 by 8, you have to cancel and write 1 by 2, right? Now we'll go to at most one time. The same way like at least, at most will also be confusing only. See, at most, that means that is the maximum. That is what they have given is the maximum. And you have to see at most means that number and below. That number and below. That number and below. You understand this very, very clearly. At most means that number and below. See, if they ask one tail means one and below is zero tail. You have to ask one tail and zero tail also you should see. We will see how many one tail and zero tail is there. See here for this you will get this one tail, right? One, then two, this is two tail, it will zero tail means 3h will come, right? Then this will come, two tail will not come, two tail will not come, three tail. At most one tail means again what you will get? You will get 4 by 8. Okay. You understand again at most one tail mean 4 by 8 to 1 by 2. You have to see zero tail and one tail and no head. You should have to find out option that is from here that has no head. No other go. You have to take this only TTT. All TTT is having no head, right? So you will get for probability of no head 1 by 8, right? Here you should understand when three coins are tossed, 8 is your sample space, right? Then after writing the sample space, accordingly what they have given question, accordingly you have to find out the answer and put it in the numerator. And the denominator will be 8 only because outcomes are 8. This is called sample space. Okay. Thank you all.